guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. I am Nosihle, and if you're new on this channel, please don't leave here without subscribing. I hope you enjoy the content, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in again. Please make sure you comment, you like, you can even share the video. So guys, there's something I have to tell you before we start the video. There's a lot of noise here, and I'm gonna try to be loud as I can because ziningi imoto idlula ngaphandle and zinebis. But then without them, as you can see on the title box down below, we are doing never have I ever questions. Okay, I have just a few questions that I noted down, and then yeah. So the rule is, if ever I've done something, I'm gonna drink. If ever I haven't done that something, then I'm just gonna say no. It's that simple. I hope everyone is aware of that. So yeah. Never have I ever stalked an ex. I don't stalk. I just check that are you still alive though. I've never stalked an ex. Have I? Yo, I don't know. I don't think I have stalked an ex. No. No one. Never have I ever caught cheating on a test. I was in grade 4, by the way. From there, angaze ngabanjwa. Ngisase nesibazi sase primary grade 4 because ngabanjwa ngashawa. Never have I ever. Never have I ever had to run to save my life. Yo guys, I was in a toxic relationship. The guy was abusive, so every time he was trying to hit me, I had to run to save my life. Never have I ever had a physical fight with someone. Me, I've never, but people have had physical fights with me. But then I decided, like, guys, am I supposed to drink because of that? Because if I try to remember very well, it won't never physical fight with me. So I'm not gonna drink for that. Never have I ever called another woman to leave my man. Istima sami. Hi sissy. Hi bo. I could never do that. I could never. Ngefoni yami, i-airtime yami, i-battery, never. I will never do that. Never have I ever dated 2 niggas at the same time. We're not gonna explain that. Yo guys, we're not gonna explain that. Yeah, we don't. Never have I ever stole money from my mom's wallet. Yo mama, if you're gonna watch this, just know Ugutim. Oh, it's not even that big. You know, I think not everyone, but most people will do that. You know, Tatu Randy, go buy some snacks. We are going through a lot. So just to buy something as is a need. Never have I ever been asked on a date. I've never been asked out on a date. Like, hi Shay, can I take you out? Never. Like, never, guys. I think it's table for two saying ezolweni sengihleli noNkulunkulu sisidila ngezono zethu ngezono zami. Otherwise, I've never. Well, in things I would always say, oh, I'm gonna take you out. Never. They never. So either way, I can buy myself flowers.
I can buy myself flowers, bitch. Get my sands in there. To the
Never have I ever made out with a girl. If I get another chance, I would. I'm kidding. I'm not saying anything. Never have I ever slept with my friend's boyfriend. I don't think I can. Yeah, but then I'm guessing I'm going to never have I ever sent a nude picture. Huh? Guys, I think I was sending them nude pictures. Never have I ever dated more than 2 people. Hi. Well, the other question was like, never have I ever dated 2 people at the same time. But then I guess I have dated more than 2 people. I think so. Never have I ever dated someone I don't like because of peer pressure. I think this one means like, you know, when your friends say, oh Mr. B, good money, good the car, go whatsoever, go for him, friend. I don't think I have done that. And I will never do that. I don't think I can be able to date someone I don't like. I'm so picky. Excuse. Never have I ever had sex in a public place. I've never. And I don't think I can get Lala. I want to, guys. Which public places can I go to? Because the lady is willing to live a little. I'm kidding. I've never had sex in a public place. Never have I ever stood someone up on a date. Because I've never been asked out on a date, then I've never stood up anyone, But, guys, I think I should do a story time. This one guy three, and I kept on forgiving him because I really wanted something with him. It was like, we're gonna go out. Till today, we never went out. Well, yeah, that is that story. But either way, we move. Never have I ever stalked an ex's new partner on social media. Okay, I don't stalk my ex's partners. I stalk, like, when I'm about to get in a relationship with you, I make a research about your exes and see what's and men lie now. They be like, I'm single. So I'm trying to find for myself. Are you single for real? If I find out you're not single, I keep the evidence to myself. The rest is history. I'm not gonna tell you what I do. But what I do, I screenshot the pictures, I take the pictures of your kids, I take pictures of you, whatsoever that you have, need to not be my records, because why not? But for an ex, no. But I always do it for a current partner, or I just say something. I say for a current partner. I don't have a partner, for a partner that is coming. Oh my god, what am I even saying? Okay, we know that. Never have I ever faked an orgasm. We gotta boost ego. I have. I think maybe every lady once or twice does that, And I feel like these are the conversations that we need to have as like people who are not me, but people in general that are in a dating side that are having like, because like this thing is so wrong that also have a post ego yakho ezenza indoda I feel masculine I feel masculine that towards nonsense. So I feel like you should be like, you know what, babe, I'm faking, or else just don't fake, just be honest with him. Maybe for the first time you're gonna have his feelings, but then maybe once, if ever you decide to stay in a relationship with that person, I think you should, and you'd be like, babe, I need you to do one or two or three. You know, never have I ever googled sex positions. Yo. Guys, I can explain here. There's this video of that helicopter sex position. I don't think I know what is even that. It was trending on TikTok and I had to see for myself because everyone was talking about it and I was like, what the?
Numa jogo das vezes helicóptero sai voando.
Is that, you know, so I had to, never have I ever had to hide a laugh bite. I think I was in matric, and the reason why I feel I had a crush on this guy while I was kind of seeing this guy, even though it wasn't official, but and then pulled me a laugh bite. I don't even know what was that, but you can drop down below and you tell us the guys on the side. They work within an hour. You just take it, you rub it here, and then the other one you paste, and then after that you wipe. You're good to go. Never have I ever had someone doing it. Ha! Yo! I think maybe Wongumfundi once in a while have had people doing it. And guys, it's sometimes so annoying. Maybe you have an assignment that is due tomorrow and there are people making noise on the other room. It's so annoying. It really is annoying. Like, please guys, stop it. Let's traumatize. Some of us are still kids. Let's traumatize it. Please stop that. Okay guys, that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you drop some comments down below. By the way, let me just finish this one. I think I will need every phone. So make sure that you like, you comment, and you subscribe. I hope to see you on the next video, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. And yeah, bye guys. I love you so much. I think